हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। नए साल में तुम लोगों को मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं। आपकी जितनी इच्छाएं हो वो सारी आपकी पूरी हो और कंटिन्यूअस वॉच माय चैनल, तो आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो अपने मैथ्स और फिजिक्स को। टुडेज क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम सर्किल and this is the question, this is the hot question. Today's temperature is cool, today's cold, but question is hot, so we will balance it. Okay, what is the question? A circle touches the sides at P, Q, R and S. Suppose that this is a circle and center of this circle, that is O, and it touches the side AB, BC, CD and AD at PQR, PQR and S respectively, so that the angle subtended by the center by the sides of the pair. Angle subtended by the sides at the center by a pair of opposite side are supplementary. इसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, sentence is complete. What is the question? This is opposite side, right? BC and AB. This is the opposite side. The angle subtended by the sides. It means angle subtended by the side AB. The angle subtended by the side AB, that is 2 and 3. And angle subtended by DR, that is 7 and 6, and we have to prove that it is supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So the question is angle AOB plus angle DOC is equal to 180, and similarly you can write angle DOA plus angle COB is equal to 180. This is our goal. We have to prove it 180 degree. Solution. लेट अस कंसीडर, जैसे मैंने क्या किया है कि सारे एंगल्स को फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी आई हैव रिटन ऑल द एंगल्स इन द डिजिटल फॉर्म 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is it visible? And O is the center. If A is the external point, we draw two tangent AP and AS, two tangent from the outer side. So it will make equal angle at the center. You can solve it. Previous classes, previous question में solve किए होंगे. अगर नहीं किए हो तो देखो क्या है कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल, कौन सा ट्रायंगल, SOA and ट्रायंगल AOP, अगर हम करें तो ये congruent हो जाएगा because it is 90 and 90 and this side is equal to this side because this is radius. Okay. And this is common, so both the triangle is congruent. So angle 1 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Why? Reason लिखोगे, A from an external point, if from an external point A, if we draw two tangent, it make equal angle that clear? Next, we will consider this center O. Center O it means the total angle around the center that become 360 degree. 360 degree. What will happen? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360. Now you can watch angle 1 is equal to 2. Angle 1 is equal to 2. So we can write it is 2 times angle 2. 2 times angle 2. And angle 3 is equal to 4. So we can write 2 times angle 3. Angle 3. And 5 and 6. So we can write 2 times angle 6. 2 times angle 6 plus 6. 5 and 6 कर दिया 7 and 8. 7, 8 and 8 we can write 2 times angle 7 is equal to 360. Two throughout common, then angle 2. This is capital bracket में लिख देते हैं. Angle 2 plus angle 3. This is in a small bracket, and angle 6 plus angle 7 in small bracket, that is 360. Or angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7, that is equal to 180 degree. Two times angle 2 and 3. You can watch angle 2 and 3, that is angle AOB, plus angle 6 and 7, that is angle BOC, that is 180 degree. Proved. So angle subtended by the center, angle subtended by a pair of opposite side are supplemented. You can write similarly angle, you can prove it, DOA is equal to plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Similarly you can prove it. Okay, thank you. Continuous watch my channel and subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Okay, thank you.